Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and really simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a tiered candle holder. It's going to be a glam candle holder. So what you'll need is you're going to need 2 of these mirrors. And you will need the round shape. You're going to need 2 of these glass candle holder plates. You're going to need 4 of these candle holders. And they're like the taper candle holders. You're going to need some diamond wrap. I picked this up at Michael's, but you can't find this at Dollar Tree on a roll very similar to this. I have got some of these fill and stick gemstones. They're from Walmart, but you can find these at Dollar Tree on a half sheet size. And then I have some of these loose gemstones. They're also from Walmart. They're just a clear rhinestone or diamond gemstones. And then I have some hot glue. And if you want to make this a permanent piece, you will need a permanent bond glue like E6000 or some other type of permanent bond glue. But these are the items that we'll need in order to get this super simple candle holder completed. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, there you have it. Another simple and beautiful glam DIY. This project is so easy to make and really versatile. Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with it. Okay, now isn't this candle holder really beautiful and so easy to make? I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of DIYs, please be sure to share this video with your friends. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.